Meanwhile, regional football's governing body CONCACAF, the Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association, and the Reggae Girls ambassador Cedella Marley also paid a tribute to G. Nelson. CONCACAF's director of Caribbean Member Association Affairs, Horace Reed, hailed Nelson's pioneering spirit.
Football development in Jamaica remains unquestionable, and her name will be written in the history books as a pioneer and visionary. It did not take much to encourage her to give up her full-time job in the private sector and join the JFF when I served as that body's general secretary.
CASAFA President Wayne Shaw noted that Nelson displayed her passion for football throughout her years of service.
I am truly saddened by the passing of Jean. She was a close and personal friend and a former co-worker, and we both shared the love for the beautiful game of football. It was her passion. She has served the country with distinction, and she will be greatly missed.
And in her tribute, Marley said Nelson's passion and commitment to the Reggae Girls were characteristics that bonded them as they served a purpose greater than themselves. She noted that Nelson is not only a part of making history, but also a part of the nation's football legacy. And as someone who worked closely with Jean Nelson, I'd like to personally offer my condolences to her family, as well as the condolences of the rest of the TVJ Sports Department. Rest in peace, Jean.